Hello everyone, in today's video we have solved this exponential equation 6 power x minus 3 power x is equal to 0. There are two methods in order to solve this equation. First method is graphical method, which is very simple, and second method is just we solve this equation and we have to find the value of x, then the value of x we satisfy this equation. This is our solution. Here y is equal to 6 power x minus 3 power x. We know that these exponential functions are always increasing. Here 6 power x is always greater than 3 power x. For x belong to natural number, and when we substitute the value of x, means that x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1 minus 1, means that 6 power 0 is equal to 1 and 3 power 0 is equal to 1, it becomes 0. And when x is equal to 1, then 6 power 1 minus 3 power 1 is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And this is our first value of y, and this is our second value of y. And third value of y of 3, it becomes 6 square minus 3 square, means that 36 minus 9, which is greater than y2. And when we substitute these and continuously, we find that the value of y1, y2, y3, and this is an increasing function, which we can say that y1 is less than y2, y2 is less than y3, y3 is less than y4. And other ways we can say that y4 is greater than y3, y3 is greater than y2, y2 is greater than y3, and so on. And when we represent this in a graphical manner, we have, there are two axes, one is x-axis and second one is y-axis. And when we substitute x is equal to 0, the value of y is equal to 0, and the graphical representation will be here. And on the second case, when we take x is equal to 1 and the value of y is equal to 3, means that there is something. And when y3 is greater than y2, which means that here this is an increasing function, and we take just like this. And this is an increasing function. When the same case with here, when we take the value of x is equal to negative, the negative exponential will become this like this, and it nearly approaches toward infinity, and it will not touches the x-axis, and here from 0, and it is increasing, and from here is decreasing, and then small portion is increasing, and the value of the x is equal to 0 only touches the x-axis, which means that x is equal to 0 is the only solution. This is the first method. And the second method is, we take this 6 power x minus 3 power x is equal to 0, and we can write it as 6 power x minus 3 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 3 power x. We get 6 power x is equal to 3 power x. Now we have taking logarithm on both sides. Log of 6 power x is equal to log of 3 power x is equal to, when we apply the logarithm property, we get x log of 6 is equal to x log of 3. When we cancel out this x by this x, which means that log of 6 is equal to log of 3, which is not true. Thus the value of the x which satisfy this equation is only x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is only the solution of this equation. On the graphical manners, we just take these values, and we find that x is equal to 0 only touches the x-axis, which means that x is equal to 0 is the only solution of this equation. If you are new here, you can subscribe our channel for more informative and interesting mathematics videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.